York City. Today is 2020 presidential election day. This is Barclays Center, one of the polling sites in New York City. Now, let's take a look. As you can see, all the voters are required to wear masks. Fear of the coronavirus, early voting and the mail ballots have surged nationwide this year. The 9-day early voting concluded in New York last Sunday. The voter surge this year in this largest city of the United States, just like most other states of the country. Almost 2/3 of the estimated turnout of 150 million voters have cast their ballots in early voting nationwide. According to the New York Police Department, more resources are devoted to this year's election than those in previous years because of the nature of the current presidential race. New York City's police force is heavily mobilized for Election Day patrol, and various volunteer crime prevention groups have deployed to safeguard against any possible violence on Election Day. Officers are dispatched to monitor 1,201 polling stations around the city on November 3rd. With strong anticipation of ensuring turmoils or even riots over the outcome of the vote, more and more shops in New York City, especially the luxury stores in Manhattan, have been boarding up.